Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. Now, if you are on Facebook and you would prefer all of the likes either for your post or the other people's post to be hidden, I will show you how to do. First of all, just open the Facebook application here. And if I scroll down, as you can see, I can see 42 likes on this post, 47 likes on this post. Let's say I tap on these likes and tap on this 47 others, and as you can see, it will show me every single person that has liked this specific post. Now, if you want to hide all of these or hide them from your profile or your post themselves, you can always tap on the menu in the top right and then tap on this gear icon in the top right. Now scroll down and you can see this under new feeds. There is reaction and preferences. Just tap on that. And here, as you can see, hide number of reactions, aka likes. So at the very top is on post from others. So for instance, if somebody else posts something, it's on your timeline, you see it. If you toggle this on, basically you won't see how many likes they have, it won't show up. And then this second option is your posts themselves. So if you post a picture, photo, video, whatever it may be, then if you turn this on, then nobody will able to see who has liked it and how many likes it gets. So that's how you can hide likes on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.